It happens so often in this digital age we live in. Your son away at school is pretty sure his laptop has a virus. It keeps crashing. Mom calls. Her computer is running slow as molasses. Your wife thinks she left her smartphone at the coffee shop, or was at the doctor's office. And your boss just called asking about an important report, which is on your work computer light years away. Houston, we have a problem, right? Actually, it's no sweat because you have Fix-It Utilities 15. The all-new Fix-It Utilities is now in the cloud, which means you can remotely access, tune up, and protect your family's devices. You just log in, go to your dashboard, and connect to the device in trouble. Then run Fix-It Utilities to eliminate viruses and protect against new ones. Remove PC clutter, repair Windows registry errors, essentially improve speed and performance. A few clicks and you're done, without calling an expensive repair service. You can also remotely connect to another computer and use all the programs just like you were sitting in front of it. Now about that phone. With a new version of Fix-It Utilities, you can also add smartphones and tablets, both Apple and Android, to your dashboard. Simply log in, click on the phone, and you know where it is. It's on a map. It even gives you directions. You can also lock the phone so nobody can use it. Put a message on the screen with your contact info. You can even wipe the data from your phone if you don't think it's coming back. With Fix-It Utilities, you manage and protect up to 5 PCs and 5 Apple or Android devices on one license, more than enough to cover your family. More importantly, you get the peace of mind knowing that all your devices are protected, operating at top performance, and you can find them if they get lost. Get Fix-It Utilities 15 and start protecting all of your family's devices from one central location today. Click here to get Fix-It Utilities 15 today.